Hey guys, welcome to CodingSlide. Now in this video we are creating a Python program so that can track a phone number and find a location in Google Map using Python. For this Python project we will installing some Python packages and then we will need a phone number which one we want to track. Now in a few moments I will show how to do that. But before we get started, if you guys are new in my channel, please subscribe now, like this video and press the bell icon to get a notification of upcoming videos. First open your code editor and then we are creating a new project folder for phone number tracking. In this folder we are created two files of Python, one is a main and second is a my phone. In my phone file we are getting the phone number of user. Which one we want to track? In this I am using my number. Create a number variable and input from user, else you can directly implement the number. Now in terminal download some pip packages as I was mentioned, download it. Then just follow the steps, import the packages and phone number. After this just copy the code as seen in this video. Now open our browser and then visit opencachedata.com geolocator website. Create and sign up free account. After this visit dashboard. In dashboard click on API keys. Scroll down and copy the API key for the location. After we run the Python program, we get the HTML file which was created automatically. At the last we are save the location of the number in a HTML file. This HTML file is created automatically. Open the HTML file and then run it. In this HTML file you can see my location. I am in India. And we get the extra information, that is phone number, country name, a service provider and a location using a map. You can see the map. I hope this Python project is helpful for you, and if you enjoy this video, like, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you in our next tutorial.